the rangers rescued two booby birds, two chicks on Saturday. Since they would, like every year, they would normally drop out of the nest, fell out of the nest, and they won't be able to go back. One, because of human touch. So the mom won't allow that. Well, there's no way they could walk, they would fly up to the nest. And then some of the causes, I think one of the main causes is sibling, right? That's when the stronger chick would kick out the weaker one for competition for food. So whenever the parent goes out on a day of fishing, it will bring very little food. So then, in order to get most of the food, they would kick out that weaker one, so you could get most of the food. Yeah.
How old are these chicks?
These chicks are just maybe 1 month and 2 months and a half, approximately.
Okay, and what is the mating period for the booby birds, and how long does it take for the egg to hatch?
The mating season starts somewhere around late September to December, and then by January, somewhere around January, depending on when the eggs are laid.
Okay, well, me and this little baby red-footed booby are here today. I'm Jerry Lauder of Belize Bird Rescue, and we work closely with the Audubon Society when they get orphan chicks like this on the Keys, and they bring them to us, and we will basically feed them and care for them until they're ready to go back to the Key to be released. And we've been doing this now for about 18 years. So hopefully this little chap has a very good future ahead of him. This will probably be about 8 or 9 months before this one is ready to go.
Oh,